Legends of Learning presents the Feeling Jumpy game. This is a science quiz game that makes learning about the patterns of motion fun and easy to understand. In this game, you will start with a quick tutorial on speed, velocity, and acceleration. Each level begins and ends with more information on motion. Your job is to help the athlete to jump up the steps to the finish flag. If you jump too slowly or fall into a hole, you can get back in the game by correctly answering the questions. Good luck! You must use the right arrow key to single jump and the up arrow key to double jump. Be quick so you will avoid the saw, but be careful jumping because if you fall off, you must answer a quiz question correctly before continuing. There are many interesting facts to read to learn more about the patterns of motion and test your knowledge at certain question checkpoints on the journey to the end of the level. As you progress to different levels, you will learn more about science to complete all the levels. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right skills to help you complete the game?